Alright, this will be a shirt with horizontal symmetry, so we'll need to fold it onto itself. It is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. I have marked the center line, so let's go ahead and fold this up. And the shirt is inside out to make everything line up properly. We'll just pull the sleeves through each other. And I do have a video that details the process of doing this flip. Due to the nature of this design, it doesn't matter if this is perfectly flat. I just tend to try to get it as close as possible. But in this case, it wouldn't make a difference. It would actually add more character to the piece. Now this is just going to be scrunched up, but I want it to be narrow and long, or not necessarily too long, but narrow enough to fit into the rain gutter, since this will be incline dyed. So that's something to keep in mind. You can't just scrunch it and have it all bulky. So while I would normally rubber band this this direction, that would cause it to become lighter. I'll go ahead and band it the other direction, which means probably use these little ones. I bet would fit pretty well. Okay, I'm not going to do any bands this way, I don't think. Let me see if it compresses too much. Let's see what else I can. Insane on this. That should fit, I think, inside of that rain gutter space. So, off to dye. Alrighty, for this I'm using olive drab, shiitake mushroom, black cherry, golden brown, mist gray, and timber wolf. I have two other colors that I might use, and that would be rust brown and bronze. And the bronze is from Custom Colors, everything else is from Dharma. I'm going to try not to use those last two so that I just keep one of each major color group. And I picked the colors because these have the greatest split, at least out of the ones that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and put some ice down, we'll put some dye on top, and we'll let it melt. Alright, we'll just let that melt through. Take a look after it melts. Alright, it's been about 36 hours. Let's go ahead and rinse this out. So I'll go through this in the wash, and we'll take a final look after that. Right, so here's the final. Front and the back. It's a few little pinpoints that managed to make it through the ice and directly onto the fabric. Not much though. So it didn't come out as dark as I thought. It actually came out more of a pastel. That was unexpected. I didn't do a second layer of ice. I didn't do any extra soda ash, but I was still expecting darker because there wasn't that much ice on it. It's interesting here. We've got almost like flames coming down, and this side it doesn't separate out. It still have like a flame-like thing. I don't see anything in it as far as faces go, except maybe, and this is out there, I kind of see a llama. There's like a snout and then the eyes, then like tufts of hair that almost looks, I don't know if I can do a close-up of that or not, almost looks flame-like. That's kind of interesting. Really long neck though, then it breaks down here. It's almost like a llama on some kind of an alien skeleton. I don't know. And going with what I see at the time. So what are your thoughts? I was, like I said, expecting a darker final piece than this. This is actually really, really pastel considering what I was shooting for. But all of these are the colors that split the most, but overall I think it looks pretty good as far as a random goes. Let me know down below what you think, and until next time, thanks for watching.